The sprouts in this puzzle will be either corn or lettuce. Take a close look at the code below. What will happen after you click Run? The harvester will collect all of the crops. The harvester will not pick any of the crops with the path she is taking. The harvester will pick all of the crops, except the pumpkin. The harvester will only pick the pumpkin.